Your metabolism is simply the process by which your body converts food into energy. This is a complex biochemical process in which the calories in food and beverages combine with oxygen to release the energy that you need to carry out various activities. Your body requires energy all the time, even when you're resting. Can you change your metabolic speed? Well, your metabolism is generally fairly stable, but there are ways to ramp it up a little. It might seem counterintuitive to think that certain foods could speed up metabolism, but it's true. Your body needs some nutrients to kickstart your fat-burning processes. That's why skipping meals may not actually help you lose weight in the long run. The following foods have been shown to help boost your metabolism and get your weight loss journey on track. 1. Whole grains. Whole grains are a complex carbohydrate that consists of a longer series of sugars. It entails that your body takes longer to break them down, so your metabolism is burning steadily for a longer period. Researchers have found that consuming whole grains increases your post-meal energy expenditure by up to 50% more than eating processed foods. Look for whole grains like whole wheat flour, quinoa, brown rice, barley, corn, and oats that are not over-processed. 2. Beans and legumes. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein. They're also rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Your body uses up a lot of energy when it breaks down the fiber and protein, and that keeps your metabolism in good working order. The high fiber content of beans also helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevent those mid-afternoon sugar cravings. Furthermore, legumes provide iron, zinc, and selenium. These are minerals that your thyroid needs to produce sufficient amounts of hormones. Without them, your metabolism can slow down or become impaired. 3. Nuts. Nuts are another great source of protein and fiber. Research has shown that people who eat nuts regularly tend to have a lower risk of insulin resistance and smaller waist sizes than those who don't eat them. When you have lower insulin resistance, your body is less likely to store fat or develop type 2 diabetes. Again, nuts take longer to break down, which makes them more satisfying and better for your metabolism. Most importantly, research has even found that nuts can ramp up your metabolism. 4. Probiotic foods. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut help to increase the number of good bacteria in your gut. These bacteria are largely responsible for digesting food in your intestines and facilitating the uptake of nutrients. It's been suggested that probiotics change the way the body metabolizes bile acids. These acids are made by the liver and their primary function is to break down fats in the upper gut. If probiotics can influence how bile acids are metabolized, they may change how much fat your body can absorb from food. 5. Lean meats. It takes a lot more work to digest protein than it does to digest carbohydrates or fat. Because of that, experts recommend eating fresh, lean meats such as poultry and fish. The digestion process requires a lot of energy, so you're burning calories in order to break them down. Studies have shown that protein can increase your post-meal calorie burn. 6. Caffeine. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant known for helping you to wake up and boosting your metabolism. It works by blocking a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which causes other neurotransmitters to release more dopamine and norepinephrine. Studies have shown that caffeine can increase your resting metabolic rate by around 3 to 11%, depending on the size of your dose. It's also shown that this can help burn fat faster. One study even showed that people who took caffeine-based supplements experienced increased fat burning by as much as 29%. Thus, it has led researchers to suggest that caffeine can significantly influence energy balance and speed up metabolism. Remember, while this article focuses on what to eat, to really speed up your metabolism and burn fat, you need to make efforts in terms of exercise and self-care too. Start eating healthy with the above foods that I suggested, and exercise regularly to keep yourself moving. What do you think? After watching this video, are you ready to look into the way to eat to improve your metabolism, or perhaps, are there some other foods you know that will help speed up the metabolism? Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.